Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to talk about the CIE 2020 May-June result. As you all know, this result is evidence-based without the exams being held due to the coronavirus pandemic. But the result that came downgraded everyone's grades a lot. Like the results came much lower than expected. This has caused a lot of backlash. For example, on this post over here, you can pause and read this. And this is what the Cambridge has to say about this. I will be posting links for all these related pages in the description. Over here they claim that results are better this year than last year, but in the very next paragraph they tell us they themselves, the Cambridge University itself tells us that um, almost half of the grades awarded are lower than estimated by their teachers, lower than predicted by teachers. And their excuse is that the prediction or estimate was too high. But the grades we have received do not match our academic record at all. There are many students who are saying this on Twitter. We have started using a hashtag unfair CIE results. On this, you can see many students telling us how different their results from previous year and this year are. For example, someone got degraded from a C to a U. And there are many other cases. For example, I had 3 A's and 1 B last year, but this year I got all B's. And even though Cambridge has claimed that the grades are only one less at most, even though Cambridge had claimed that the grades would only be decreased by 1 grade at most, there are people saying that their grades got decreased by more than 1 grades. For example, A's to C's and A stars to B's, and even C's to ungraded. Which is why we have started a digital campaign to get Cambridge University to recheck the results and uh, upgrade our results. Scotland has already succeeded at this, as you can see, and I'm urging you all to share and to tweet with this hashtag, to share this video, and to join a group. I'm going to show you a group. The group name is Cambridge Grade Conflicts. I urge you to join this group where we are planning these campaigns and we are organizing protests and all this because of the very low result we got. And I urge you to join this group as well as use this hashtag and tweet and also tag uh, the authorities to make them notice this issue and take action. Our government and our schools can take action against this. So if maybe they will notice if we get enough media coverage. They should also share this video with others so that they can also take part in this campaign. Thank you for watching.